Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting agenda in Asana. This is a powerful way to keep your meetings organized and ensure everyone knows what topics will be covered ahead of time. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Asana in your browser or app. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and click the plus icon. This will bring up a menu where you can create new items. From the options that appear, select New Project. This is where you'll build your meeting agenda from scratch. Now, instead of starting with a blank project, you'll want to use one of Asana's pre-built templates to save time. When the project creation window appears, click on Use a Template. This opens up Asana's template library, which includes dozens of ready-made structures for different types of work. In the template search bar, type Meeting Agenda to find the specific template we need. Once it appears in the results, click on Meeting Agenda to select it. This template is designed specifically for planning and running meetings, with sections for topics, action items, and notes already built in. After selecting the template, click Use Template to create a new project based on it. Asana will now generate a project with all the meeting agenda structure already in place, which you can customize to fit your specific needs. Next, you'll need to name your project. Type a descriptive name, like Weekly Team Meeting Agenda, or whatever fits your meeting type. This helps everyone identify the agenda quickly. Once you've entered the name, press Create Project to finalize it. Now that your agenda is created, it's time to add your team members. Click Add Members and start typing the names or email addresses of everyone who should attend the meeting. This ensures all participants have access to the agenda and can contribute or review it before the meeting starts. Finally, to share the agenda with your team, click Share in the top right corner. This allows you to send the agenda link directly to your team members. Alternatively, you can copy the project link and paste it into your meeting invite, making it easy for everyone to access the agenda right from their calendar. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.